Community Health Network closed a Kokomo outpatient therapy clinic and a specialty hospital this past summer, resulting in the layoffs of 121 workers. We've learned some of those workers have been able to rebound thanks to a Carmel-based therapy company that aims to fill the void. WRTV Investigates Kara Kenny has been tracking this and shows you why the transition is key for the entire community.
Community Health Network's Replay Clinic closed its doors for good on August 30th after 30 years in business. The very next day, Elite Therapy moved in, and days later, they opened their doors for patients.
I feel it.
Good.
Julie Howard is recovering from shoulder surgery, so physical therapy is a must.
Got it.
Julie is a patient at Elite Therapy in Kokomo. She's one of dozens of patients who transitioned from the Replay Clinic after it closed. Her therapist, Mert, is one of 17 employees hired by Elite after Replay shut its doors.
Huge, because continuity of care for me is everything. And, that's one of the reasons that, I switched to Elite.
WRTV Investigates reported in July, Community Health Network opted to close Replay and the Community Howard Specialty Hospital because of the changing landscape of healthcare and to best align Community Howard Regional Health Services to sustainably meet those needs both now and in the future. The closures came after Community Health Network received $218 million in federal relief funds. Replay's closure upset patients like Julie.
Oh, I was not happy. I wasn't happy at all because, here I am. I've been going here. I've had, Mert has been my, therapist. And I thought, now what am I going to do?
Elite Home Rehab and Healthcare is a Carmel-based outpatient and home care company with locations in Carmel, Logansport, Lafayette, and Kokomo. Owner Melissa Dickey says Elite was already doing home therapy in Kokomo, and when they heard about Replay closing, they saw it as an opportunity.
Replay was really the premier rehab facility in Kokomo. We wanted to make sure we could continue it and keep that opportunity to the community, so we thought we would come in.
Because the company does home care, they weren't hit as hard by COVID-19 as many outpatient clinics. Plus, Elite received some federal funding, which helped as well. As a result, they were able to hire half of Replay's former staff members, many of whom have decades of experience in physical and occupational therapy. Grissom, the therapy dog, made the transition and is still gainfully employed.
Having a therapy dog that kind of brightens up the clinic is such a huge thing. I've never seen a clinic that's had one before. And so when I met the dog and received the dog's resume, I was very excited that we could have that opportunity to provide that for the patients as well.
Physical therapist Michelle Nicholson was laid off from Replay after working there for 25 years.
I was shocked. I was really shocked by it. I knew I still wanted to be able to work in my hometown. I've been here since I was 4. The people in this town mean a lot to me.
Michelle says she and other employees were more concerned for the patients than themselves.
It was important to me that we were still able to serve our community. Sorry.
Michelle is grateful to Elite for giving her a second chance to do what she loves. Workers and patients say this transition is proof this community can rebound even when things get tough.
We're people who are very resilient. I think resiliency is a big thing to look at here. I think aiming forward, during hard times.
Even though Replay closed its doors, Elite Therapy says they plan to be here in Howard County for the long haul. Working for you, Kara Kenny, WRTV.
A spokeswoman for Community Health Network said they've also worked to find jobs for laid-off employees. Quote, "We work closely with impacted employees to match as many as possible to other openings within the community. We have made every attempt to ensure that patients have smooth transitions to other quality care options within the community." End quote.